Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, if fx is equal to fx plus p for all x, gx is equal to gx plus q for all x, pq not equal to 0, p and q are integers, fx is an even function, gx is an odd function, then which of the following is or are true? Statement 1. Fx into gx is an odd function. So let hx is equal to fx into gx. Then h of minus x is equal to f of minus x into g of minus x. Since f is an even function, so f minus x is equal to fx. And since g is an odd function, g minus x is equal to minus gx. So h minus x is equal to minus hx, which is odd function. So statement 1 is true. Option 2, rather statement 2, fx minus p is an even function. We have been given that fx is equal to fx plus p for all x. Now let us define a new function mx is equal to fx minus p. So m minus x is equal to f minus x minus p, that is f of minus x plus p. Now since f is an even function, f of minus x plus p would be equal to f of x plus p, and f of x plus p is equal to fx. So this equal to fx is equal to f of x minus p. Therefore, mx is equal to m of minus x. So, fx minus p is also an even function. So, statement 2 is again true. Now, statement 3, px is equal to fx into gx. Let us take px plus pq. Now this would be equal to f x plus pq into g x plus pq. But fx plus p is equal to fx for all x, and similarly gx plus q is equal to gx for all x. So this would be fx into gx, that is equal to px. Therefore, px is also a periodic function. So statement 3 is true. Statement 4, if hx is equal to fx into gx and hx plus p is equal to hx for all x. Now this statement need not be true, because the period of product of two functions could be the LCM of two functions, given LCM is equal to LCM p comma q is equal to p. We get q is a factor of p. Q need not be equal to p. So statement 4 is incorrect. Therefore option B, that is statement 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer.